You want to push? How about I give you a push?
Woo! We got it!
Guys, stay out. Stay out of the way from it. Oh my gosh!
I'm a noob! I'm totally a noob! I'm a noob! Everybody! I'm a noob!
What the hell? Why?
Surround him! Surround him!
Don't, you're going to make a crash.
Look
at He's going to be standing up and popping wheelies before you know it.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Nice save.
Wow.
Look at this one!
Now, how are you braking? Are you using your foot brake or your hand brake?
Foot brake?
You're pedaling backwards to
Yeah.
use the brake?
No.
You know that's how you do it. When you're ready to stop, push your foot backwards.
That's what I do.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. It's a noob, it's a noob, it's a noob. I can get you, noob. No, you're not noob. No, we're all noobs. We're all noobs. No, everybody, we're all noobs. Cops and robbers. Cops and robbers. Where is it? Not it. Not it. You're the cop. Oh, I'm gonna get away with the money, baby. No, you're the cop. You're trying to get the money. Dude, what the heck? I just failed.
Brakes.
Good job.
He's putting on his training wheels. No, I'm the robber. I stole a pair of training wheels. Oh, he didn't touch me. He missed me. Oh, somebody missed it. No push. No push. No need for a push.
Keep your handlebar straight. You don't need a push.
Missing some training wheels.
Pedal.
You gotta pedal hard.
Keep
Just
your handlebar straight and no, leave them back where I put them. Nolan?
We're ditching them.
No, we'll pick them up on the way home. There you go.
try it again. Try it again.
Hang on a second.
Max, let's go down to the drugstore and play cops
It
and
would
robbers.
help if you're...
No, you and dude, right?
Okay, you ready?
Not it! No! Sucker! No, you don't! The noob don't have training wheels again! He will never! Or that! Noob wheels!
You want to go down the sidewalk to the drugstore?
Yeah, noob!